Welcome to Awake. Today, we begin a gentle but powerful journey into one of your most ancient senses, your sense of smell. Before we start, take a slow breath in and let it out softly. Let your shoulders drop, let your jaw relax, let your attention settle into this moment. This is your time, your space, your awareness. In this training, you will awaken your olfactory system, notice subtle scents, activate sensory memory, and expand your perception of the world around you. Take one more deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Let's begin. Bring your attention to the gentle sensation of air entering your nose. Feel the coolness as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Notice the small movements inside your nose, how the air flows across the inner passages, how soft the sensation is. With each breath, imagine a gentle light waking up inside your nasal cavity, a soft glow turning on one area at a time. As you breathe in again, sense the air brushing against the inside of your nostrils. Stay with that subtle feeling. Your olfactory system is ancient, instinctive, and deeply connected to memory, emotion, and intuition. Right now, you are reactivating that system. Take another breath, slow and mindful. Feel your sense of smell opening. Now, begin paying attention to the quality of the air around you. Take a slow inhale through the nose, very slowly. Ask yourself, what is here? What is present in this air? It may be faint, subtle, barely noticeable. That's perfect. Notice if the air feels clean, stale, dry, humid, warm, or cool. Before scent appears, air has texture. Feel the texture. Now inhale again, a little deeper this time, and see if you can detect a hint of a scent. Maybe the scent of the room, the fabric around you, a trace of wood, dust, soap, or warmth. Don't try to name it. Just sense it. Take another breath, slowly. Notice if there's more scent now than a minute ago. Your awareness is increasing. Your perception is sharpening. You are waking up your sensory intelligence. Now we activate the olfactory cortex through imagination, a highly effective training method. Visualize a fresh lemon. See its bright yellow skin. Feel its weight, its cool surface. Bring the lemon closer in your imagination, closer to your nose, and breathe in softly. Notice the tiny spark inside the nose, the sensation of sharpness, brightness, freshness. Even imagined scents activate your olfactory network. Now, imagine freshly brewed coffee, warm, dark, comforting. Bring the cup closer to your mind's nose and inhale slowly. Feel its richness, its depth, the warm aroma filling your awareness. Now visualize fresh rain falling on dry earth. Petrichor, that grounding, earthy smell. Return now to the real air around you. Take a slow inhale, very gentle. Does the air smell different now? More detailed? More present? You might notice something you didn't before. A small note, a faint presence, a subtle shift. This is your awareness expanding. Take another breath, slow, soft, natural. You are now perceiving more of the world than you were 10 minutes ago. Take one final deep breath in and exhale completely. When you're ready, open your eyes gently. Your sense of smell is awake, attentive, and receptive. If this sensory training felt powerful to you, subscribe to Awake and continue strengthening the senses that shape your experience of life.